Shumaima, Mumiana Eradia say, if you say, oh, ye, and I don't ye ever hoda. Mumian, so amen and amen and amen. Oh, ye, mammy, oh, ye, my one so, and then you may, and Odo Ahomaso, Adom TV. Eda say, so I cried to a check, a so cheer, Homana Samba, that be deep, to the young say, oh, Baba, what down for Nana, what doffo Akuma, Mama Zimbi, and then you may, and Yamenkwa, Miniminia Ba, Abby Grace from Perfect Hands and Health Services. Auntie Abby Grace at the same. Wonderful. I'm loving your hair.
Thank you.
Whoa,
you're looking sweet.
Same to you. Hey, BBI, dear. Let take this opportunity. Now, me now say, if we say Mazimi Foundation, the 10th anniversary conference, you know, share a going to a business near dear. But you say, you guys were awesome.
Thank you.
More. A queen money phone fair, moon screening, one more eye screening, breast, health. Never be brave, more. Perfect hands. God richly bless you.
Amen. Bless you.
And then Yama be brave, Mugusu Asia. Now, mobile services, net is saying health, hospital, now we are saying.
It's not been bad. Sisi ase Ghana for so home services ase.
Because there's a monk on my you.
There are other groups, but you who say and common waha.
That's what I'm saying.
But Sisi afina and Crawfordia ase. Obi a ye juman so be an bibi yari ofi obe here nurse manashe no. Obe here obi crab stress obe fan a drop pepe. Said the bay on bay that joint also. And you who say baby no ati asenti. Sisi ano omo nurses ni bebre ayede ahwe omo nkrofo ofie abo ni said e hwe kuna foi ni maami wenyi aka ono nko a ofie ontimi nja wadwuma ho nkotena ne nchen nti na wa penes be at least obekwa akohwe no once a day nti people are really getting to understand and it's been quite wonderful.
It's been quite wonderful. Our Lord is good. Nti ade Shumaima ebi what's a Perfect Hands and Health Services wo hu di omo ye omo ko fie to fie no ma hwe ye ma me penimfo obo ani nre wo so onnom so important mambo nim se de we si aye wo fie ahomache wo akasa wo mane ade obo kwa na wo say ye ne lab any idea uma wetimi akakotwe wo fie no akohwe na ye de akoni asande aba no ma be fa na ko so important mummy patronize na ye ebeto ye. I think let me give you the opportunity for mo na mato yeah why
okay patcho so person hu ya your number is 026 88 077 97 026 88 077 97 ofra anytime on sabeka. And I on call so 24 hours. Just in case na you're signing on here on us at any point in time.
Great. Your health there, here, and one a crack in ewa ha. Mamma Cosso na a black mosquito coil say. So much yasne, it's me the Odo Ahomaso bro, Adom TV, and an angel jimbo coil, and it will spray, it will chrome Odo for Fabi, the malarial, a queen of fossil a queen, and yet a crack. Booker Nicoso video one amas ever mount a year to year, maybe be a comma. Our dear Nequa ever near my air coso, and Pranchia a bebre, but I did back one, a yana ye mo bebre, ya nyachum any hypocrisy ni adoso se eba na mpemu agrotie because yesha ase no ase empese ye ase ferry ase nim any ade and so bi wo ho ha or you truthful to him or herself into mom will say I am a desperate when it comes to love making. I'm very desperate and I want it more. Mami ko pes kama na ebe ever kama but that's it. You see that Abby Grace? Na me kase your partner are very desperate.
Okay.
A bano and pemwa gra. Back your door. And why is it that I didn't know bit me? I'm very desperate on that.
Okay. First of all, no, from social point of view, it's almost like opposite always attract.
That's right.
In most relationships, no, you will never have the same character in two people. In there, at a point, somebody will have sexual drive higher than the other. And it's at a point, it's normal. It be very normal. So we be to me, the urge for sex more than the other person. And let's say, who person who say abnormal, a whole lot of things that you may have to look out for. But to me, no, sometimes it's not always abnormal because no any feeling for sir. The only bad thing, and I said the only wrong perception I want to say, most of the time, when say oba mom, was certain canoa, they think so oba no as say and bibi. But there are women like that, and be man so it be more edge at sir. And yet idea a bonny. One definitely be higher drive than the other at a point in time. Unless say that other person, no, there's some hormonal imbalance or something going on. They be any dinner to us, so and I be our session.
They be any dinner to us, so and it's me who sir, it's a high sexual drive. It will nipa ni yemu. And I said, unless you get to the bedroom, do you see it in the casa, the dressing? I mean, the day-to-day activity, no? Can you just see it easily? Say, nipa way, or nenibe jimpe magro hompa, and I say, hey, obey a while. Do we see that?
Nina, nipa so. Sometimes, yeah, since you can't couples as definitely you will see it. Nimpani actions, you will see it. It can be through even the casa.
The casa,
yes.
Yeah, casa to say.
However, to me about sex.
Okay.
Yes, and anything that is geared towards sex, and nimpani beka hoasem. Obisu or the person will try touching you or something. People who are normally or more high drive, no, some may not just wait or obeko into bed before they do that. You will see it from their daily life. Obiso unless the person is trying to say obe katas away from the partner they feed it rather on pornography and other things.
So or share pornography.
Yes, because drive no but
right.
or try say obe hide it from the partner no ana bibia. They will rather decide to entertain themselves with pornography and another thing else. Otherwise say or person in who they are definitely obe make it advances at the person. On the bekasa in such a way, or better try or better no. Inti enya there it will be hidden. Ube yes.
Okay. Now tie ni omo a diagrona something as a odon ho kakana as a joint to the those.
Yeah. It's me Vanessa. And it only makes it bad when the other partner is not responsive. Yes. And America says, so be a normal. Once in a while, be approach you in such a way. But say, and almost every day, Nani Pani tries to obey approach you, sir, trying to make advances on any Pani having sex almost all the time. That is when we should look into it. But in yes, they will try and then try to touch you, try to do anything that the other partner will also know, say, they have the edge for that.
Wow, and I am because the Jojo, the Akamami, I am Dajuni, and no, and then Ubaba Akuma, Mama Zimbi, yeah, discussing Odo Ahomaso. Sir, you see, the driver, no. I might be saying, me could dimmy to do, me repaid ye to do, or my home told me, and Tino, Ubo house every day. Every day, a person in a radar, every day, a person in a and in a jar. If it happens that way, no, what do you do?
There are two sides of it. One thing is, I say, what should I say? Drive, no, and starting can for sex, no, is too much all the time. I'll be who say, how you can't work. Like, it's me disrupting in pani day.
Really?
Yes.
It's me bubble so I say going to me
juma. Nimpani to be in control to any point or any extent. I think so for no I was a doctor. Because there are conditions be or it me a friend of compulsive sex disorder or sexual disorder. Or hypersexual something. It's all geared towards abnormal sexual drive. Inti bibisa no who say ade ne chiro so ama untimi en control untimi enye ejuma the normal things anka obetimi aye no untimi at all na it's almost always constant then you have to see your doctor but ntisa na say bia once in a while it comes like that ebi mo embassy during ovulation near there sometimes we have the urge to have sex which is normal until it becomes passive eba at a point in time during your cycle or something na echo nti that one is not wrong but say no so but the bia and a bit hard there may be underlying conditions medical conditions obi oha when epilepsy and abibida anything that affected the brain disrupted that part of the brain that controls sex can also lead to that obi so oha or your baby disorder be a friend bipolar disorder psychiatrists now they can really explain so much about that. Some so sometimes they have the urge to have sex a lot. Inti so we call doctor Hoswa obetimi assess so who say bibi sa or they can give you to a psychiatrist or a therapist or obetimi abo to get out of that zone. But so the any once in a while be now it does not disrupt your work or anything and then I think say you are good to go.
Okay. Inti no say wukunu obia ope ema or the man or anytime he wants it maybe 3 times a day and you know anytime we are available I don't know or if I say what the man but to mu so ope other man so who say yes ebia ewe mu ho nyina or some man in like but what I say and no see abnormal so sex drive no or so desperate any idea.
Yeah, at a point it's abnormal. Sometimes a bit
because I don't know the bill yare na esuban.
Oh, a bit me both.
Really?
Yes. A bit me I suban. A be or sha says or having sex I check. And that person probably tried many other people during the course of that time no yet sexually active. Until it becomes a part of the person until mean jai. And obiso the person is not satisfied with ne wife and nikunu. Until at the end of the day, no, or try way na enough for them. They try to find out from another person. If so, such a person.
It's his or her decision.
Yes.
Also, go on multiple partners, and my own, you know, and no baba.
Yes.
And now, maybe man is saying in 10.
Yes.
Also, some early women with me breaking Colano from the infants from 6 years.
Yes.
But started growing also into you know, now I can every day something was happening.
Yes, into you're satisfied with that person occurring in so that also gives them the driver. They can't stay with one person to try away because they can't be satisfied by one person. Into you're not so. And it can be area to me.
Because you want it, I'm giving it to you. Anytime, what makes it say
Nimpa no na no say stable and kanya there obeko just like that.
And a mental problem.
Yes, it's
the mental weakness and
yes. And I was say to me tackle from the mental side also.
Okay.
Into obehia therapy.
Therapy.
Patro aye.
Therapy as in so that therapy never say
psychotherapy.
Psychotherapy.
Yes, and people also will approach it from the spiritual background. So if you think you would
people okay spiritual background, are you saying say pema grow no evil or something?
Ain't evil. But say own to me and not one person who at the end of the day no only satisfied also enough into your new way.
Into your pema. Me repair mama study who say me or pay mama pa me ya de bia me che no oba no osu na no spiritual.
And yes spiritual say yadi or yes physical you are seeing it but some people know from their Christian or whatever background obey here counseling with ne pastor and now obi nti for such a case put the shyness away. You know it's worrying you there. Let your partner understand you. Say, and this is how you feel. Now, boy, be or hobby from whichever point. But me first of all, make us a doctor 1, and 2 say, wow, person or pastor, and now obimboa. Then they just come in. Intibate me any subai. at the same time. Yare in terms of ebiana dream enye a baby aka. Some also have high testosterone and also so much drive. In those levels have to be reduced. There are other hormones, serotonin, dopamine, to me bring about sexual drive if there is imbalance. Inti doctor no be man do na so mbeboa na hormonal balance ni said
I'm so happy sir your viewers almost 30 follow. Obviously, when my emails were sent me viewers say Auntie Felicia me that's for watching. Yes, obogo so o say akuma as a man 7 I'm okay. Mikunu ne sexual drive. Ay meti akra o e no no ti baby owo no akuma matuma adwen. I just say o ya e mane ebroso. So
yeah,
and oba every once in a month and oba. But on nim say nikunu epe empemagro nikunu pedie. As I say, and you know what to na dream.
Oh, okay.
Oba so the man, and such a woman no, but because I say area.
Oh yes.
Wow, what to na dream say nikunu be fa ma. O mane embodano.
Oh, okay.
So but she wants a solution.
Okay.
Because on to me enya mbofra no so say because me nim say me kumpena oba me de man also oba into time of echo anytime.
Oh, I see.
Any minute. So sin is swear. So but the woman she's saying that also she likes it, but the issue they say when he is not with her, no.
Yes.
Onim say my husband will certainly do it because I'm not there.
Okay.
Eh?
Okay.
And if so there's what man leeway say go ahead and do whatever you want to do.
It's quite serious.
Yeah.
Oh say everyone talk about there sometimes it will be good to it's only an advice. If you think you are at risk of contracting any diseases there, then probably they should use protection.
But you know, sometimes so hurting.
Yes, it's very hurting.
About intimacy, any your husband's private parts, you know how you handle it, how you do it on your own, and then you know very well in your heart that my husband is not with me, my wife is not with me, but because his or her libido high, no, me know obedi. What says I disturb?
A disturb part into emotionally so be here and kakra. And one thing yeah, you ignore say the no who say or high drive no. Sometimes they don't see anything wrong with it. Or anything wrong with it because that is how nimpani feel it. Inti I was also one or kind so. Sometimes all try to be pushing away. They will feel shy, they will feel bad, a bit timid in some baby braba. Inti try and then say the no be try so be please you in every way just to get you into bed or no bed. The same way you have to reciprocate. Sometimes you have to balance the actions between the two of you. Inti enyama obeya o partner no so any beje ho a na dream beba also no. Just try and then do that. I think say and also boa. Like for instance, you can try and then send him messages when he's at work. There are so many things that can get his mind off from.
That's why
yes. Say be our best friend no. Ube tries or sending the messages. Even or far away.
Happy Grace.
Yes, Mama.
Who knu pedie? Wo yiri epedie? Or what takrade or won kraya? Who kumase? Who ho? You'll be sending messages, you'll be doing those. And also, so when you do the messages and are you talking to me, Dick, yeah, sorry. Or ban and one for. Once I know man and more, I should rather go and look for somebody to have something doing with.
You can do something about it.
What can you do? Because when you're close, once there are lots of marriages that is distance marriages.
Yes.
Me pacho what I say.
Yeah, okay.
Abrochi for a share via Facebook channel right now. Oh, Oboka for hearing say yeah can want some cry no. Ultimate control na see for. Ne buy my apeja.
It's true.
You get it
very well.
So how do we control it? Because most of them are apart.
It's true. And me, because of my medical point of view, I would stress there is help always. If Sashana said I can send you a message or you would think won't in control, now you will certainly go for someone. Talk to a specialist about it. Okay. Definitely, there has to be a balance for you. It shouldn't be always a bit twice. They can help you to control it. And there are some activities that you can do socially. Try and then do things that will take your mind off the drive so much. Okay. Some people, I know people are now, they are doing yoga exercises. They try to do reading. They try to some even try to go to school just to get themselves occupied, even though they are working. So they will take on a course or join a group that they would associate, like sports group or something. Maybe more, right now they play some sports. Tennis, and other things, just to. But those activities don't be all call 4 times in a week. Or the 2 days be arrested. So from work, or try so tennis or something. Now will help you. And near it's even more drive necessary. Some people alcohol, for other people smoking, pornography.
And I see that beautiful woman. The chi ye kakra, no for ye kakra. Obiane de attracting them more. So obo kwa me too make us say cry na I ask more.
Very true.
When ye kakra na somewhere see.
It's true. And see, near man, I bet you trace edge and abano. When you say pornography, how don't try and then control it. And no, you're classifying as the warning signs or the things that will put you into that. No, put them on your list as warning signs. So circles, a bit jail towards doing that sex thing, no, out of your marriage or something which you know is not helping you, no. Just try and move out of those circles. Just friends can even make them have the edge of doing that because they'll go and drink and all that. And alcohol too can raise your libido.
Sweetheart, the enemy will come hey, they will who the shortcoming, they will who the weakness.
Yes.
What you say? Now he or she is listening, say, wow, this is my issue. So this is what me say. Ain't na ebeboa me. Now the one I join say once the sun and swear. Me say me pay. Upo ma wow. What you say? What's even because their sex drive is very high, you know. On thinking about a partner, or what he or she needs, why I satisfied. What Miss I was saying, I want so dear to say. Maybe I thought what I say.
Yeah, it's true.
Yes, ni libido ni very opedi, but ne wo edano. Or bisa, or person wants to enjoy the way he or she is enjoying.
Yes.
Oh, but obi so how no no
yes, so and satisfied that is it.
The way he or she will call you, you know. Now, again, I wouldn't answer me. But, you know, answer son, money partner, and also a better day.
Okay. And it's a relationship. It's not one person affair. And to me, no, in my opinion, Kameka say or bema or partner to was our kindness, no. Sit down and talk to the person. You can't go and always wash some of your dirty clothes outside. You would have to do it inside.
Within.
Yes. So start from within. Let your partner understand, say, dear, or you know, won't say any joke or whatsoever. Won't say the person has a good edge for you and you want to help. In a way, say, Mummy and I'm be satisfied. Until you would have to talk to the person.
At moment, Felicia says she's watching us from Takoradi. Okay. Now she's in a relationship, and then ne partner no. We are here. Man, na jemba no open is sopa. They be anu asone to ne no for. Or say, hey, you're looking good. Oh, then suddenly you know there are some touches here. Obi the mouth. I mean, or shaking hands cry. Obi says doesn't mean say ne partner sexual drive. Higher now, or see, I'm getting scared about what you're discussing. I mean, she's being smart. I'm liking that.
Oh, okay. Probably he's attracted to you. That is why he's doing that.
Okay.
And for some reason, most of them, yeah, bimukra complaining, say, Nick only one to say, or person in the BB. And with this, no, to me, I think you have somebody who is telling you, say, he likes you. And it's not only in the bedroom that such a person will show to you, say, I'm attracted to you, I like you. So you shouldn't get scared. Unless he is probably trying to, the next move he makes is trying to get to have sex with you, and then you should know, say he will have that kind of edge there, then fine. But to me, so or more keke and all that, he's not posing any threat. I think he's normal. He's normal. So.
But do they do sexual high drive and are desperate in love making or? Or no, does it think of attraction?
Some of them don't. They only feel the edge because the hormones are up.
Yeah.
However he is feeling, no, that is what he is expressing. And yes,
so who for them better?
Not per se. Not per se. Some now make us say with the drive, some people try to find every means to satisfy themselves. Or be better masturbate without going for other women.
Yeah.
Yes, but also high sexual drive. Incident passano. It's also different from the way he or she will unleash that. But obi or the behind partner, and from that, and that is when the partner will know say me partner will unusual sex drive. Obi so bet me there said the kind of only different women better because when him so call a partner no several times so they would rather be doing that with other women.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not always like that.
I'm check my 24 lines now because I'm so happy you're bringing me issues here. Now, Obi, because send a partner, I mean, high sexual drive. Say, Obama, Obaka on it, and Eda, and I say, we Johnny home, you know, this happens in marriages and whatever. Obo had the beer no me kujan hope or mobi na kota and so they kwa by man beche na ya can't say. I mean, you know what I'm talking about. And tini pasano, will you advise your partner say ebi bema kweku yariaba into be say dia grow when and you rather will introduce him to masturbation and her into maybe playing with herself, you know, the clit and doing other things than going out so ni man na me makodano ube pese onwadi ne ho ebedi agro. I mean, atishi mama is a reality. Odo Ahomaso ni emesisi wa wade mu enti say yet ye na be me can certain things amen ka say me encourage bibi o debi but e niama e koso. Yeah.
Masturbation so so and I would not advise say nimpa ne mfa ne ho ndi agro or
meba ye bon komo adishima ma onim bibi lucky helbo atso ne bo aye nro tata hwibi e dia ma ye ema ye mai nro bi na aba no matu me bo shale fi ochina ko ho lucky helbo amini no ma stay put me de ba ma mo ama na aye kama o ko pesika kakramra me da say I just issues are but and grown and just say activate for license one mobile can some year papa. In fact, Dr. Bote is here. Also, I've been watching you and I want to come and talk about this desperate sexual drive. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. At the same.
Yeah.
Tete. Oh, nice. So, Doctor is here on Unsony Private Hands and Health Services and Juma and you know, said Doctor about your neighbor, come on. But so, Doctor, what do you have to say about this? You know, your partner is highly, you know, the desperation is more when it comes to intimacy. You give it to him, you give it to her anytime, any day he or she wants it.
Yeah, but she still don't want. Like wanting more.
Wanting more, not satisfied. He goes out, does so many things. She goes out, does so many things. What advice would you give to your partner?
First of all, sex drive in marriage is quite something that sometimes is quite okay. It helps the relationship to actually bind. But there are some things also that a bit cause somebody not or too much into that drive.
Is it too much, you know? And I have a problem, you know.
But so, we have, say, from, let's go back a little. Some people in their life may have experience some things that would drive them to that kind of desire for sex drive. So with those people, if you don't take care, they will go the hyper. I'm not call hyper of that.
Overboard.
Yes, yes. And some of these situations are those who end up being sexually abused earlier stages. They may either go the two extreme ends. Some, if they are not well psychologically managed, they either will hate sex, which is the extreme low sex drive, and they will love. Some too will love the sex so much. So this is one of the situations. Some too may not have been raped, but their previous relationships, they may have, their partners may have been in that kind of situation, say, or they may having sex more and more and more. It is now they get, he or she get married, they are or expect to say that same kind of drive that I was speaking to one of my patients, or can say she can't stay 2 days without sex.
2 days without it.
Oh, never.
And they say she's good. Obviously, I can't say 2 hours without it.
Wow.
It is so bad. This machine goes through and kasa. And also any boss or something that should happen.
Yes.
And
or having sex now. And yet one kind of minutes type of sex, to me having sex 2 hours and more
time.
And still wanting more. Or who said the husband I tired, but still
up more,
but so in the year more. So it's a situation because the reason is or the previous relationship before marriage, the man loves sex, so they always have sex everywhere, whatever, anywhere they do have. So, but this man on to me handle that kind of situation and get her more worried. Sometimes, I think he said probably the man is having it somewhere on to me and can have it with her. But she later realized that this is the man who do love sex, penny too much to that extent, then that bring about a lot of issues with the man because the man sometimes it went to a situation where 1 week cry because the man is getting furious with the way or cry then the woman is tempted to say, oh yeah, then let me go to my previous relationships to go and get what I want. That lead to these marital problems and other things.
Yeah, because what we were discussing, there was this lady who said she's apart and husband is also apart. And you are looking at Jenny, say, Onim se nikum, onya daya, he is going to get other women to sleep with, because where they are is a distance marriage, and she's just closed up her mind.
Okay.
So, do you think she's really going to say? Won't she have any pain in her heart? Because when it comes to intimacy, we know how we treat each other. I know what I do to you.
Yes.
Make sure now. And Nikunu pe ma.
Okay.
Nikunu pe ma more. And I don't know or introduce. I mean. You see, I mean, person putting the and can say we are giving them the leeway to go and do it. I know my husband up Emma because of my high sex libido up Emma. What's he say? And he's also distant from me. Let's say he comes once a month or twice in a month, and I've closed up my mind because he loves sex.
And that is the danger about it because marrying and staying apart, it's a big issue. Moreover, the man too is a person who likes sex. Then probably, if you are closing your mind, he is enjoying somewhere. So what will you do?
Does it help?
Emotionally, it affects you because now you will be thinking now that he is there, he loves sex, but you are not with him. So what is he doing? Probably he's doing something there. So it puts you in emotional.
But this one, she's saying no, she's closed up her mind because she knows whether I think about it, I don't think about it, he's going to do it. So why don't I close my mind on that one?
And when he comes to, he will do it with her.
With her.
Yes, and that is it. Probably she has tuned her mind to that. But a lot of people don't do that.
Yes, so those who don't do that,
those who don't do that, that is where they are going to go into this emotional distress, because they are always thinking what the man is doing. But what is the solution? Probably, unless the person is indisposed, like it's not in the country, far somewhere outside the country, then that one there you have no option. But if you know you are the kind who also, let's say you have the drive, he also have the drive, and he's staying far from you, why don't you have time to be visiting? And you go and do it and come. That is it, and keep him at bay. And you know one thing about women.
What of the kids? You can leave the kids and go and do it and come. There's nobody around. That is the
funny aspect. But you know, we have the Ghanaian mindset that sex is always done in the night, which is not the fact.
At all.
If you know he's the one who likes it, get him wherever he is. It's your own. Do whatever you want to do. Because when a man is satisfied sexually, there's no way another woman will come in trying to get him into it, unless the people who are hyper.
Dr. Botte, I know my husband likes it. Yeah. I know my wife likes it. And I give it to her. And the way she wanted, she gets satisfied. Yeah. But when he or she moves, and we are an attitude.
Yeah, I would say that an attitude.
Like,
so how do we? You see, we need to draw a line. How do we? No, say me the character how do we know?
You know that is.
Never pay. Say maybe obi intimi oh, there. Say me kai. Onya so on insana e was happy.
Is it some men like other women to have high libido, a little touch na abba. Some probably, like the way I was saying, you know, when it comes sometimes the women especially, because of their past life of sexual abuse, it become yare amano, because yare is not always having pathogens in you, but it has affected you psychologically. I feel there every time you want to have sex. So that person there can be treatment, psychological treatment on the person. But when you have some, I'm telling you, there are some that you never even notice that this person loves sex, but just give the person a little chance. Now the you'll be surprised. So with those people, it's very hard to manage those ones because you don't have the real history of the person, and they have the high libido. Managing that one, I would say, is a little difficult. But sometimes, if you, the wife, understand the man, you also have to tiptoe, like follow his steps and try to manage it. But some, I'm telling you the truth, it's well difficult to
and see, if somebody is a womanizer, we pay man. If I can say, or highly be don't know pay man. Is there any difference between somebody who is a womanizer and somebody whose sexual drive is high? Yeah,
there's no excuse to womanize because you think you are sexually active or something. But sometimes some people, like, you know, there are some unique things about people, which that is why some people come out and say, this one I was born with it. But it's not that. But it is something, the hormonal thing that stimulates in them or manipulates them to do some things. So sometimes you can't say it is sickness, you can't say it is emotional will. So, but he's the kind of person who have fun or feel satisfied with anything or anyone he or she sleeps with. So if you are like courting such a man and you know that, then you should be prepared for it. If not,
is there signs for you to see, sir? Okay, Mabel is here. Is there signs for you to see, sir, a relationship? I must say, I'm really loving this discussion because I'm in serious relationship. But how do I know? Although Akuma said we should wear our drawers, but we've done it once or twice. So, but how do I know, sir, my husband or my girlfriend is highly, desperately, sexually drive person? Is there any sign? So like you said, Obi or Honkasa, but the touching, somebody actually said he likes touching, you touching my body, a dresser or a sexually desperate high drive person.
Sometimes some signals and some, we call it symptoms, but there are some signals where when you're in a relationship, you start picking. But if you are not that fast to note those kind of things, you know, you find it difficult. But some people are very secretive. You can't easily catch them. But there are some things that are best started. or yepe, you start picking it up if you are very, very, very fast. And some are those who give excuses. They will not pick their phones at some particular times. They will always give, you find them at strange places talking to different people. I'm not saying those who do that always are like that, but there are those kind of signals. People say they have some secret friends they don't want you to know about. Okay. When you ask them, they are not ready to talk about it.
They may even get angry.
They will get angry.
Angry at it, right?
Yes. They are not ready to tell you about this. Is strange cause they some say they will store a lady's name in the form of men and all those things. And those should give you the signals. And you find them sometimes at places you least expect them. Though they are this particular, but you find them at strange places you least expect them. That should even give you the signal and you start even monitoring. Some you will catch, but some you find it difficult
so
to actually catch them. If you think that will break your heart or hurt you, sometimes get used to it. And
wow.
Because sometimes you
get used to it.
Yeah, sometimes I won't say that you get either you move out or only get used to it. But there are some situations where you have gotten to, you can't just come out of it. But if it is something that is going to hurt your emotions, it's best you get out of it, or sometimes help the person to come out. Like last time I was saying it, there are some things even some men do, they think it's normal. It's normal, they are having sex. After all, every lady loves me, want to have sex with me. They don't see anything wrong with it, so they do whatever they actually want to do. But sometimes when you notice certain things, you can help them out of those things. If you know you want the person to come out of it, it will be managed anyway.
Can we get them sexual toys or something? Because you don't want the person to go out.
Sexual toys too, sometimes it's dangerous because when I'll come to the women.
Okay.
Sexual toys, when they have sex with the toys, or they normally do, and they get to the extreme before getting satisfaction, and the man can't get to that level to get her satisfied. She gets frustrated, so she'll be tempted to go in for another to get to the level she wants.
So the sex toy can do that.
But some too, like the sex toy can lead you to a long maybe, or the way up, but the man, unto me, the man will not be able to do the way on open. You know, so have you said you get tired, the thing drops. It's not
and I want it, I want it. So why don't we plug that sexual yes.
No, a lot of men don't want to see that thing in their house.
Why don't they want to?
Somebody to replace them in something.
So that one and somebody, sleeping with your wife, which one will you choose?
That is
my mom won't hear me. Well, a solution to our issue.
Yes.
Oyiri epedie. Neneje ho. Won't mean in call that plateau. Watching it once or twice. Say we Jan no be my friend I can say won't mean nimi said ya mepe. And I can say you artificial cotier any etwa ho. Obe pesa obe introduce that ama wo yiri ana wo kunu say wo ye na wo de wa bra o se Geneva we ye dance obi any better. Which one will you choose, doctor?
That is where you are the crossroad to choose.
Good.
Sometimes the necessary evil, you choose the necessary evil, but
they all have side effects.
They all have, yes, like the way they have side effects, but sometimes you have to help the person too. You have to take the other options before you finally land on that one. You help her to actually manage her sex drive by doing as much as you can. I've advised some people. A man says, "Oh no, or start here within 2 minutes now."
Now we're jamming.
And I advise him that. So why don't you let him play the foreplay a little? And sometimes it works when the woman comes on top. You see, when you twist your waist, the stimuli is high. You easily come out. But when the woman comes on top, you don't twist that much, so it can delay a little. So sometimes you give the woman a chance, and when the woman is on top, and also call the areas are awfully very
comfortable.
It helps the person to also come fast. That will also help you. So uchena or no bar, now or you're satisfied before you take over. Then you also do your own, and that is some of the other options to the sex drive.
But doctor, sir. Men man and men edum pema gro na say be man ho eba eja na yire no a enyo mu nyina na mo that hyper to continue to let the wife also get satisfied. And a man be so hard, the who be na wajiga.
Yes.
And no, ever fan is
let me come from the man's side first.
Okay.
Only be said the man no bar. I'm telling you, if you're a man, you understand it. It is said the horses the feel more
straight up.
A year to say electric stove
gas stove right
cut off now or that seriously. Unless those who know how to actually, then you start also stimulating, leaking and doing other things. But say no, but it send the signals and women say no, that is how it is. Some women to say onion is satisfaction, probably push you off. That is how some women too are. So always when you are living together, then you know how to keep. But it's always good when the woman comes before you come, because some women get really angry when the man
leave
comes.
them in between in the middle of the sea. You want the sharks to take me away, man? What kind of thing is that? I want to come and come and come more and say, Meda, Meda, baby. But I say, we'll say that it is. We are the pay setters, so we start discussing intimacy here. It's Yahano Benyano to the plateau, Benyano to the top, from the grassroots, your bachelor, Kwanya, Obefaso, and new tea. And in relationship, no, these are very, very important. Say, Oberheni Panene, ya can't so wuni panene, be out once, wait, Obepedie, means me pedie. It means that my Adriana, and I mean, go be no starting shrem, a quiet fast. So, you know, you do don't make us a more one practice with you. A better one not seen any so. And I Dr. Anthony is and to keep on wearing your drawers and keep yourself to your married. And then when he or she wants it, you give it, he takes it, you give it, and he takes it. Odo Ahomaso near time I soon somebody waiting me for but before then, no, me say lucky hevel. At sonebo, I have vacay at the mama or china, but in your baby, a back keep your vagina no so tight naturally, and then we keep enjoying what. Na woni baby obia ochina ukokroma kope asawato kope asawato na me betena sia ma chose be use vacay na afa lucky hevel obia ya lucky once why lucky say na Odo Ahomaso because kwanya wodi edron begu asawa no so na wodi ahya wase na me de beba we are so grateful said lucky hevel on board ama ebe kan hockey count the issues na prepare place you know. I'm more tighter and smoother. Online. Sounds in because and I just black mosquito coil and an insecticide spray. Baby, wow, just go get it. Fly away, fly killers, and you easy cry, young pento with fear, and says echo. Media me say, I dip you about the road, me person who will be a dear, who to become nipano, a cheso nipano, because malaria it's really killing us. So I know the angel Jimbo and swabba, the spray and the coil. Baby, be open ya, and on the best though, leave the rest and go and get into what I'm telling you. And I do black mosquito coil. And an insecticide spray, and then fly away fly killers. Fly away fly killers, and actually, if you have a storeroom, make a space. So me and you go. Open the kind of flies are open them ho. Aha. Until who here pa and I feel jumbo mosquito coil, angel jimbo, and spray no. It's so important. So also ubenya. Bemwa say hate pa enti to 4 and Friday na munko to bin ton e was 0244 935756 0244 935756. You don't want to say some of us asene na e kama and then I want to pass me tomo from Bible to oil to baby everything. I'm going to sell it because Odo Ahomaso a family program. Since from the diapers and everything, bring it, let me sell it for you. And then the, sensational oils, I'll sell them for you just like that. And then the lingeries and those things, I'm just going to sell it for you. And not if right now, the Jojo 0302211701. 0302211702 up to 704. Bampacho ma television volume no and my phone so I can call into the show. Now year into year. But doctor, you know the weather has changed.
Yes.
Before we close, tell us things to do to keep ourselves okay.
Okay.
All right. Emmanuel, Odo Ahomaso. Hello, Andrew.
Yes.
Good evening, sweetie. Now for Viva. Ashiman, Andrew, it's you.
But my old band engagement now, mini war. Every day problem.
I didn't problem.
So about meaning 4 years. I don't know.
Great.
4 years. I don't know engagement. But to engagement, I mean, I small problem. Near business, you know, it's cutting my side. Since then again, I was at the like, you know, about the phone see, who can't see, so about the phone of the chef, so about the chef, wardrobe, Macata, I'm a bread.
Wife,
wife, and the later on, and I'm going to cafe for baby and make up police. If I know why you didn't at all.
Why you engaging ring not to her?
Yes.
No,
and
this
I mean, make up born in Busa for Armani. I also appear on my friend, them, on my year, you go born in Busa for money, in Busa for no one come here.
Are you saying, sir, where you mark for Munti and our urine attitude is to buy as a sanana?
I don't know.
Oh, you should know. Say what you say, Sikama, and the Suma assassin. Yes, sir.
Maybe because of that now. Yes, sir.
Wow. And so for say obi dinner na nti no dey phone cause wardrobe mu or dey phone lucky on places you don't expect her to do that.
Then on this side the only obo na on this side was stand like but say
bibi cause so and to say see our wife way
last week kwami ba no was share me akon no mufi
say on worry bio
one can me tell me and me go for mama there almost have no.
Oh no! Can be saying to us, how long? We will have to discuss this issue when we talk about being there for each other. No, not when uknu and yeah juma and now you in yeah juma. Then what is that? Hello, me ma ko abadi Odo Ahomaso. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, me ma ko abadi Odo Ahomaso.
Yeah.
Ma odon so. But I say, if I told for Eva,
if you fit them,
Tama, yo, mammy, it's you.
But you, me driving your honor.
Oh, but I can say, I'm Bema.
What's it?
But you're frozen.
The divider.
Anti-Vida, okay, it's you.
Ma, like, what's it? The patrol with the divider.
Mate, oh, don't stop listening to yourself, Mate, Kasa.
Nah, like, men now me.
Okay. Oh, boyfriend, I will be,
They were quite knocking.
Knocking is not married, so he's still your boyfriend. I'm marrying you, into Koso.
No. Oh, man, I mean, did that.
Oh, yeah, thing.
Oh, yeah, massam.
Oh, yeah, massam.
Okay. Now, I don't know to me. When I go 5 months, I want for phone. No, I aren't in the call. No matter how old I am. I don't know me true. You believe it? A diner, the many demono. Go find another door at the neighbor, and then a better home at the chin. And I'm saying who quantum was what them on.
Okay.
Bisano. A young thing be free and a young talker. They see me who?
So, who dear 1 year? They are not married, but their relationship wa my woman, a second born, yare, and you know, or coy or buy no na or coffee girl. I bet them who I just say. But they are not married, so we see to that. Hello, in team.
Hello.
May I say now for everything?
Tracy Achimota.
Achimota, in team, may I say? Yet you. Good.
By me, no. It don't have to be a damage machine or person machine.
Oh, kissing. Oh, Wow. Now what be some of the contia on person over fina no?
Also on the on pesa there.
Fitata de nanti won kiss we hear that.
Me and the kiss no into also on pesa there.
Oh, I see. But oh, you on chance this year.
Order.
Sweetie, where dem is wo. And I be boy empower Odo Ahomaso. Me da se papa. Hello, hima. Odo yewu.
Also on kase.
O me panicho. Me misa odi. In fact, yes, you are there. So, enti misro, me niaba. Adenti na umpe kissing. Me pacho, misro, me da say. This woman, me da say. Me pacho, hello, nyamin shrow, me niaba. Good evening, sweetheart. Uniaba me wate. Na ye bo awade mu nkomo edie mu nkomo ena no fofie nso no ema edie eyete pa eno kwa na twitwi
pesa me
umpe kissing atenti na umpe
anya bibia
what kissy da it is something happened what kissy and edie na bae no me esu ade mpacho what say
me by me yes I but me ninjo
ah wo pe bo ni nye ho that's mean say yen kisi we yi ana yen kisi we yi ana wo ku won kisi we yi ana
okay no so pe dia oye e mo se ti ama ni se sabe
oye ma semo ho sa na wo adwen mu oh na won che no ade na odwen sa ma no okay that means okwa adwuma na fe ni wa ba fie wan kwa adwuma ne ba opie e na fe na wo ba enti ai wa adwen mu se fie no pa ana fie wi a me kun pie ye afi no ba dia e bia no akoye masem e na won so no se wa dia sombo e wo so obi di na no akakotuem enti wani nje ho sa right I think she's got a point but very serious point but enye adwuma akwaku kwame kwesi yaw abeku wo ko he me pa chofa phone ma no hello kwaku na na ko he yes and na ko he
me fide me na me call me car ho we so
fear no pa up to now
oh my body that crab get into the 1 hour
hey one other me super fear by 11 p.m.
Look for African you because so bent my pepper
oh a fetish shop na ko he
La Paz total metro
kwaku me fa ne say wo fifie 4 o'clock e ko do La Paz
6 kra
enyumere 6 year na fifie na fetish shop no wow and from La Paz to Achimota it take you 5 hours to walk to home
so na again ba me smart in this house
kwekwe ho ye yirme ya no mo doye pa o ne ma kitinkiti bi pamo mema fi ho ebe pamo afi wo yire nchen so ho entimi pa chow me srewo se the first time I wan sade a e ba to pia brantem oh ye dom ntini eja ye ho mo ware ye no ne ebe mpem agronso na wo de buo ma wo yire a hwe wonim se edie na motimi di mu ho yie mu kese mu ho yie na motem ho ase a e pam yare bebre ko if se mo jeni di fu sane yie wo mu me pa cho wate ase e
matre
enti wa hwe se wo da wo yire so na wa wada ni ti se on pese wo kisi no enye se wanu mbom enye se kaka bi ba eye ne se one man tem ti akwakohwe wo ka keke wo fitting center no wo ba fie 11 p.m. for wo fie 6 year it is not well it is not right enti pa cho apologize to you right now
matre
that be person meet say wo apologize say we are sorry say no
odo me pa cho why
odo so pa cho wa dia tu me do pretty woman what wo enti enyume na di wana me de banshia bomum ya solve problem na wie ene mo ni ba ko ai na man kiss you but to ko choose na o se woni my fresh ko choose mu tunya mu ko chuma bye no you see in marriage hello Owusu so sorry some more achena issue I say e solve the year Owusu ufre viva
hello ma'am pardon do
official town Accra na say tema
Bado Accra.
Medase. La yo yetio.
AKA Inshira Papa.
Medase Inshira Papa yetio.
Ma.
Yes.
The cafe ma award anka o program we are we.
Medase.
Ghana award ni na no. Yense sama.
Medase.
In fact, aware mu sem ni ma we. Pro me mane ebrent yates.
Nyamini e bega na say.
Papa no to no.
Are you a doctor?
I'm not to. Doctor, nyami show.
Thank you.
You know nyami show pa wa.
Yeah.
Omo am say. Na ma but me how nyina ne say aware.
Yeah.
Na ka o me de me sta no kan ho na so say na me ye we say me sabe kam jina ja me sta.
Enye hwe.
Aware. Me obano ankwala mi.
Okay.
Program with my friends, the secret view where Ebia me fa short we are me sabe come.
There be secrets be anim. Nipa frɛ pa nti na yesa no.
But when me da.
Okay.
Aware mu na se be.
Yeah.
Na me yire nete.
Me ba so ma wano so kakra asa wo twetwe ho. Nipa da so nti ma wo ho nya hakakra ma ye.
Me ba so ma ke.
Great. Me da say.
Me yire nete. And the kakaka when twenty kakra we mu na in when 20 no be ba no. Before when 20 be ba no ejina no ma fi so ma.
E bi ni de. Me be so go straight to the point.
Okay.
Yeah.
Na ba do oba ma ware no aye no wet na bala mi no. This is ma akwe kakai.
Won ba se udi no.
Oh, me customer be kana in fact na with another.
Wow, enti
me be customer say me de me ho aka me yire emra na rape.
Na rape.
Benada.
Marital rape. Okay. All right.
Program with my first me sanka.
Okay.
Na me
on second when yaje. Does it mean so be force no ba chitre no? Na o tia na o de say ja menye na wadi no.
Sa but oti ye be ma.
Good.
E basa na me ka say on be ma bia nti e basa pe na we no.
Matias here, me never ma me mu akakra. Won say e wo se wo hu wo yire. Enye oba bia na du mpemu agro a oja ne ho sa. Ebi pesa wo bo no ankasa. Ansa na wadi no. Ebi pesa wo ne struggle. Ansa na wadi no. Obi so wo ha opesa wo church me nye na wo di na chi o me se me nye jai. O me nye. Obetena o na me se me nye na wa ye. So ho. Enti o ye den time. Pe no mpe kra na say opesa wo krokro no na ono ko merry go round kakra wo ho ansa na.
You be a me pa krokro pa.
Okay.
Na me pa krokro pa se no ho fe ya o ti ho yo.
Me ba so iro ho. O iro ho. E bi on the phone man na ko be can straight o. As I walk around too much.
Mate.
Oh, fam pa to phone ma yere. Catch and say me bisa ni din. Obahima, and then man my idea o mon come asam na mame. Hello, sweetie. Obahima, I to say. Hello, sweetheart. Uni abane me wate nti telephone no. Hello, me da say. Na mo da crowd nya na o meboa. Yo, me da say. Me sa wodin na wukunu akasisi ase e ba ni pemu agro do for so. Nti I say o repeal. Adenti na wa ware edie empemu agro e ka wade ho na wonya wo ho e ma wukunu wone wonna na enye wo de. Hello. Me ba cho say.
Yes,
Yes, kabichire me. What time in here? Say it to me. We are satisfied that I'll be happy to say it. At the end of the
Mama.
Yes.
Bema wawaro.
Yeah.
Onje nkwala no.
Okay.
Nkwala me no ekuta.
Yeah.
Oje ni nyango mi so. Na ni me de se oni ayonkofo nyango. Mama te se ukuni. Ubenya ni je dia mama na.
There be me nya ni je ma no. And they straight up. Me nya ni je mfa ma no. Enti wonwe mo ho. O ka so onwe mo ho a.
Oje mo ni na go so. Onje askusi. Jomu bejo medio. Mama
he doesn't have a job or what?
Mia.
Me ba cho ukunu oye adwuma na onye adwuma.
Person.
Me say ukunu oye adwuma na onye adwuma.
Ne adwuma si. Onye adwuma.
O si na adwuma sai. Oh, okay. And ma me say ukunu ukunu say na before no oye adwuma na say ni ku na adwuma asai a. Se wo don no, se wo boa na efe. Ana
ono say obeka no kra. Me boa ni be brave. Na mama. Osi oni sika fine what you must say.
Okay.
Ma niku ono monta.
Ono.
Papa.
Oh, okay.
Enti say osi oni sika.
Yeah.
Ye wan me ya o de ton san.
Okay. Ye wana fo ha oni adwuma ya, o mo sika nko ya hwi o. On beto amoa no. Enti be na fofo na etoma no.
Ayese. Oh, ayese say bi o. Baby ama ni bi once it's jika kakana wenye no. Enya fa na mama.
Okay. Enti na dwuma say ya che. Oye.
O ma na wenya.
Adi adwuma na okun ye.
Oye photographer.
Oye photo. Ai, na photographer na dwuma say. Photographer. Wow.
Commerce na say.
Okay. Enti no ohun say ye say de bia asɛm na ye do na edu kwadu ho a ye ntwanche na ye jam ho. Enti mo ye adwuma nyina no on service ka oba bia.
Eno na ye mwanwa no.
Uba wan na eno ne adwuma wo ye.
Me pa try.
Okay. All right.
Sure. Mama.
Yes.
I remember my cancer break. Yeah, and then I think Grammy and Missy can end it here. Oh, what more she if you want to the crampo.
Only ma. Wow. And on Snefie soon can say, or boy, when you were Juma be a wo ye. Me boy. And you might know ye.
Me. Well, then, Miss Robin, but on the old room.
What one deal chrome? Okay.
That's right.
What will say? Obama no one more, but oye wukunu. What you say? Enti say bia wo kan say esan so no mun senti obakro bia onware ontwi ne se enu nti na bia me mane nimi a enu e be understandable kakra. Ba wo kan say onya adwuma nti na omwa wo nti a wonim so adwuma onya adwuma ti na mane niwo a enu so ya na akoye kesre na kakra. Because a dear no can wade no muda so worry me ba cho what ma say enti no e mu de he boa no ma wonti e na won pese o ma ne kwan ma ne wo dabio as a yere ene okunu a wote ana say ontene fie na onante nantinti
mama
yes
onu munta
okay
adi obaye no
okay
But no one knows Mama make castle because me did my bed and talk about women.
Oh no, some bones so can
woman. Oh, back
okay.
Me means true.
You.
Na the only answer men can find also.
Okay.
What did the fool? Poor Colano.
You see, there's an issue.
Serious issue.
Mammy, finding about Christy, she's been on for ANC. Hello, Christy.
Hello, madam.
Medase. So sorry. Why? Nana issue no emo she. Auntie Christina afrefi he.
Very Cape
Coast wo ho to den.
Mpaso ye hu ye pa.
Ye de nyame na ase, ye da wono so ase papa. Auntie Christy ete o.
Cape Coast.
Yo, mate, me si ete o kasa.
Because you pa one say.
Nyamna dum ye hu ye. Men say wo hu e television do. Ti ma volume no omre phone. Na fe kasa ye tell ai. Yo.
And that the program the work ye pa mo.
Ya ka wasama ma we hu. Enti bodo ma ye ne.
Doctor na some no kind of me pede me do pa.
More hin.
More ka de normally also them on man besia phone won the kind of bansa na be in the
hallelujah. Prophecy.
And you know, in fact, maybe bebre when you them when man that one thing wants to fashion.
That's right.
And you know, one of the one doctor can hear pa no be phone one thing here, me na say.
Na ukuru wa hen.
Ukuru ni amu ono watakwade.
Nti oba na obeziwa na hu ja na we ja ho
enyo no we ja mo na my board
na e board enti sua bibi oba na obeziwa ehu esi soma ha no munum fu kakra finga me kakra
aka put no boy for so pentent mo waste time
there be catch and there wo ba ne za won waste time what ye kon boko e wo de nya botra e ma body no oye wo ye enti so no fu na wo de enom what I would get a man funny body one, man, yet, ticket and a miss won't to me, Kenzie, I. Miss Mammas, Medase. It is true. I don't know why some people rush and make it up. Okay, there are a lot of issues about me and discuss it so that we can solve certain issues. Abby Grace, which one do you want to tackle?
I want to start from last but one person.
Okay.
Because first, Papa Nika say, Mamma and Penny need those things, Nana. Oka say, be money Nijman. I suspect, say, by all means, Nijuma say.
Okay.
That is one thing. But if Bemano does not have control over or no any emotions as at now, no, the ends and seeking you are fine. And the problems be brave, but you have to have control over your own self. And then photography nya de betwem. For now no enya de betwem.
At all.
There and be occasions until that you are
unless you are not a good photographer.
Yes. And since you are no there are opportunities that you can better yourself. Me cry take a short course be and say me share free another photographer. E bi mo na e bi mo ye adwuma. Enti techniques kakra ba. Me nim how old are we nya, but techniques for fraba. Me asua kakra. Say be editing of photography.
I say, okay, na you say camera na say and I because you can even go and rent a camera.
Yes.
To see a rent bibia.
Ti obetimi rent we sua techniques kakra. See technologies amani easy editing of pictures na they be so easy. And so oba edane the provider of a house sometimes it's sad na because naturally no men are almost always the head until they always are on top, and that helps them to balance the house.
Yeah.
Until Obano so man respect unless Obano on ombu. Ahanti for now ne there a bear de mama no all share kwala no provide bibia all the stress is on her. Now you are just drinking and then you just come and then try and then satisfy your libido. So he has to work on it. Until Mamino Oshana is beyond her. She should seek counseling and advice. Emotional stress no crabeti me amano another
bebe onye adwuma oden sanom omwa wo fie emwa adehima man satia ni nyina enye pe hwe betimi abasa oyere na adwuma be sei ukunu adwuma be sei but onye be immediately no gada wo ho ebi obefi adwuma kra ba no na wa gada nkola na ba na wo fie woni nkola no ye homework ami bibi wo boa no yen kasi slave de man but let also know and let me also know say we care for each other. It's just not the intimacy e di de e kan wade no ye be bon ko Odo Ahomaso Dr. Bote which one are you guys
I'll add up a little to that. When you go to the man's perspective no sometimes nyame kitin so what I'm seeing in the situation, I have to say there are a lot of things sparking up from every direction. It's giving some negative feedbacks to each of them, and people they are all reading different meaning to some things. The man has maybe he was taking care of the home. No one problem with job.
Yeah.
Now he is in some emotional problems. Sometimes if Omuntu me managing a year, then that is where they take to drinking.
Yes.
And the drinking, I'm telling you the truth. You say something, I like it. A friend will never give you money, but will buy you a drink.
Yes.
And because he will get something to satisfy his emotion, or become a friend or no man, then he forgets some of the issues.
But you come home and
then he abandoned the family.
Okay.
That is one thing. And when you come home, the whole thing comes back, and you use the anger on the woman.
Yeah.
And here you abandon your children, your wife. Then your wife also sees another thing different. Say, you don't come home, you're always with your friends, you're always drinking, and I'm doing all the job.
So where do she thinks you've hidden some money somewhere?
Yes, and I'm doing all the job, and you are not providing anything. Why should I give you something else in addition?
Yeah.
Because if you are not helping me in any way, and I expect you to pick up in some things now, now all the pressure is on me. You are not pushing up. So why should I even give you anything? And a lot of women do that. They will never, ever give you, because he sees you to be, excuse me to say, lazy. So what do you deserve in the house again? He will never provide. And the man too will see it as if you have been wicked on him. So in the course of that, he will also exert his manly power by trying to beat you maritally,
which
rape
is not
you,
right, though.
which is not the best thing, which is actually not the best thing. So the thing is happening in different forms. And this way, the man, sometimes, that is why I always say that we the blacks or we Ghanaians or Africans, we don't seek medical advices. Sometimes this situation can be solved easily with an approach to, if you don't get a counselor, you see the doctor. Some are psychologists. You don't need to go there with malaria and typhoid or whatever. Sometimes go with this thing, like this depressive mood and some marital issues. The doctor, I believe, has learned psychology, psychiatry. Speak out your issue. He may say something that will help you at least. If he can't finish with those, he will refer you to somebody who can help you more to solve the problem. But we sometimes don't access it, and we end up trying to solve the situation, and it worsen up and create a lot of things. So I advise that we should try and visit the hospital. The hospital is not for only injection and malaria and other things.
Now, said the can soon go hana niku ye adwuma but ono mansa. You can imagine. What on mansaba, ono onyare, oh na wasan da na osno. Oh, you know, I mean, as for drinking, you should know how to keep yourself, when you come home.
Yes.
What you say?
That brings to the other one, the last but two issue. Where, or say, on Pekington, right?
Yeah,
on Pekington.
That's how they started.
And to tell you that I've heard a lot of ladies saying that in my consulting room. He doesn't want the guy to kiss him because the person goes and drink and comes and the scent of even the alcohol pisses her off, and he doesn't want him to even lie.
But she also add to say he's a womanizer a bit, so she thinks that he's going to use his lips on other ladies, and you're coming back to me.
Yes, I was coming there.
Okay, go ahead,
and
doctor.
He said the woman she was saying, how will she even know that maybe maybe then he's coming to give the same thing to him? He will not. He said even if the man sleeps with him, she never feel, because her mind is full up with those kind of things. Maybe it doesn't come early. And you could see that the man is not being a little truthful to the statement.
Yes.
And the woman is being pissed off with Sanya Mano. And I'm telling you, when the emotions are hurt, there's nothing like a feeling that will actually come out.
It dies.
It dies totally. It dies. Because if I suspect you that you have gone to lick somebody or you have gone to do a blowjob, I will not let you kiss me. Because how can I be doing?
Oh, baby, at all.
And the risk of infections.
The risk of infection.
Yeah, it will be so easy for you to contract it.
You understand the whole.
Oh my God! Adeshimarima, Odo Ahomaso ne ye kana said yet here. What do me do? And unti ye fi me maame ho, we fi papa ho, e me abe ba ko me aware. One no eye man no, your body belongs to me. And mine belongs to you either. And for that aspect, we need to respect our own body. You don't give it to anybody like that. But what you say, enti ye man ankasa no tie o. Se o yere wo ho, na wo ba nya the slightest idea. Se mi kunu epema. Ana oni obi di wo baabi, ana oye mmasam ketekete a. Immediately, na wo ho akono efi oba anim. Doctor is here with all due respect. My sister Abby Grace is also here. Obebia nya impopoya kakra. Se ni kunu chimpna ana wo di wo kromo a hwe wo ho akono wo ba o hu se dua bi on hu se nipa bi enti we cannot even hide that attitude and we show it what you na crown you so e dey answer me nyo dey e da ko hey na obi same you know enti yes mo so ye dey na ye po ba mama dey feel so na so nya bua na oba o ma me ndi ase me kwa bonti anka akodi alo mi male no wo jealousy is to the plateau exactly and yenya adwuma is important when you adwuma there are ups and downs in life ya dey be ma wontimi nye more active at your job place but again and I will hear back for your partner to know say you are thinking about him or her. Please, honesty. We should be honest to ourselves and that we can reciprocate it to other persons. Doctor, this is the weather is somewhere.
Yes.
So, and then love making is really going on. And we also need to control our breath because they say there
it's becoming
something. You know, hey, Odo Ahomaso, nyame adomo come Sunday. Na Odo Ahomaso by God's grace, na yenya 18 solid years.
Oh, great.
Nice. Hip.
Hooray.
Hip.
Hooray.
But for the 18 years of our journey, Adeshimaima ebe kana cry, Odo Ahomaso abuamo, with all my wonderful resource persons, I will be on board. Charlie, we have imparted knowledge, encouragement. I mean, being yourself, knowing yourself, being truthful, knowing God, all aspects, how to space your children, how to love your wife, how to love your children, how to bring them up, how to make good love. Then you had the Odo Ahomaso by God's grace, 18 solid years. With your one and only Akuma Mama Zimbi hosting radio and television with wonderful resource persons, and you are home. You are part of it. We will hear about Bompire, Mamme, and my resource persons, and then moi, Munhu with wonderful team. Producer, director, Prince Eninga J, and Nipa Bre, Mokahon, and a Conquesiada, Odo Ahomaso, a solid 18 years. But the baby there's somebody a lot of testimonies baba. So through the 18 years journey, Odo Ahomaso with Akuma Mama Zimbi and then in penny for no. What have you benefited? From tomorrow we'll be discussing that till say August. And you better discuss it till December comes. What you say? 18 years of Odo Ahomaso. What have you gained? Edian Abba, Edian SC. Empowerment when when ya. Edian a ye. Men can say better say no sansa. No, I also want to impart into people's life. Because when it comes to celebration, everybody comes to celebrate. Maybe yes. The panel only have been packed for what you doing. But for you, I would fear a share. I will contribute with your radio so. Odo Ahomaso 18 years. A day and I am out. We'll be discussing that. Okay. So let's go. Whether no air yet, Nema. Abby Grace, how do we keep our babies?
Okay, for now, for babies, we would advise you would have to cover them properly.
Okay.
Yes, because as cold weather also makes people susceptible to some infections. If you how ma want to more upper respiratory tract infection, cold near there, so you know they only cry when they have a problem. On to be no can't just say mommy tear me or that kind of thing. Until we should keep them warm most of the time. So Oshana say apart from say be a sunny time during the cold hours, no caternity, manage be non-share, cover them properly, mosquitoes near their swabba. So if anything either you sleep in a treated bed net and also bed. So we should try and then keep them warm. And then and you say babies don't play or anything. Yeah. So you just give them a warm wipe or something during the evening, but you can bath them during the day, then fine.
Then fine. All right.
Okay,
Doctor?
I'll focus more on things that we are experiencing in the hospital. When it comes to this time, this season, it's a peak for a lot of infections.
Okay.
Which we have to.
What type of infections?
Malaria, typhoid, upper respiratory tract infection, and all kind of flus and other infections, sepsis and other things.
Okay.
That is what is being reported. When the weather becomes, we are in a tropical kind of system. this is a time where a lot of bacteria and other things they thrive very well in this time. So when about this time, and let me start from maybe malaria especially. This is the time we all will confirm that now mosquitoes, comparing to last year, they are more, very, very more. So you have to avoid their peak times. When you watch around 6, 7, 8, that is where they are more. Avoid it. You don't actually, if you want to sit outside, then cover yourself with a lot of
and then can I do black mosquito coil around you?
Exactly.
And just Jimbo coil around you.
Put it at your doorstep. I mean your door to repel all mosquitoes that come closer. So you.
I am so grateful, Abby Grace. Perfect Hands and Health Services. Dr. Borte, I love you more and I'm grateful. We want to see you more. Tell him busy, no too busy. Sweetheart, and I just black mosquito coil and an insecticide spray and just Jimbo coil insecticide spray. Dr. Akan from Sis go and get it and light it around you and it just be good. Remember, so come Sunday, Odo Ahomaso 18 solid years. Tomorrow I'll talk about it, and then it's going to make us our vaginas tightening more naturally, and our husbands are going to enjoy us. So what's next? It's not say. Yeah, that's say. My cameraman has been, my son man has been super, MCR producer, and you and home, you've been awesome. More issues na haya ni bekano. Enti mumrani and from 18 years you could or you know, kumet na say, na your monk in common a year. You love you to the best. Mwah, edamase.